How do you break down tasks for the sprint backlog? Imagine you're about to start a big project, but instead of tackling everything at once, you break it into smaller, clear steps. That's exactly what you do when working on a sprint backlog. The key is to take big features or user stories and turn them into bite-sized tasks that your team can handle in a short period. First, you need to set a clear goal for the sprint. This goal guides what work gets included and keeps everyone focused. During the sprint planning meeting, the team reviews the product backlog, which is a list of all the features or user stories. Together, they pick the items that fit the sprint goal and are doable within the sprint time frame, usually 2 for weeks. Once the team has selected the items, the next step is to break each one down into smaller tasks. Think of it like peeling an onion. Each layer is a task that contributes to completing the whole feature. For example, if the feature is to add a login page, tasks might include designing the layout, writing the code, testing the functionality, and integrating it with the existing system. Each task should be specific enough to understand what needs to be done without ambiguity. It's helpful to write a short description for each task and estimate how long it will take. This helps the team see if they are realistic about what can be achieved. Assigning tasks to team members is also important. You want to match tasks with people's skills and availability. This creates a sense of ownership and accountability. As the sprint progresses, the team updates the sprint backlog, which is a living document. If new tasks come up or priorities shift, they can be added or adjusted. However, new user stories are usually saved for future sprints to keep the current work manageable. Using visual tools like a Scrum board or a task board makes it easier to see what's done and what's left. Moving tasks across columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done gives everyone a clear picture of progress. Tracking with a burn-down chart helps the team see how much work remains and if they are on track to complete everything by the end of the sprint. In short, breaking down tasks for the sprint backlog involves setting a clear goal, selecting relevant user stories, splitting them into small, actionable tasks, estimating effort, assigning work, and continuously updating the plan. This process keeps everyone aligned, focused, and able to deliver the sprint objectives successfully. It's a simple yet powerful way to turn big ideas into achievable steps.